Zero to Hero, Power Workshop 2.0. Bonus module. This is 100% optional and advanced, but it's incredibly valuable. So SecureX using Cisco's XDR platform, extended detection and response. Let's get started. All right, so we want to achieve simplicity, visibility, and efficiency by removing bottlenecks that slow down your team's access to answers and actions. SecureX includes XDR capabilities and beyond with every Cisco Secure product. We're going to do some integrations here. So first things first, let's get logged in. Login options, you can see there's a variety. We're going to use Cisco Security account. We're going to go ahead and enter our credentials. Put in that password. We'll go ahead and log in. And here we are. Now this is in dusk mode. You can see all the application integrations on the left side. On the right side, there's newsworthy information that comes in real time. And then you can add dashboarding. You've got orchestration, automation. Let's go ahead and jump to integrations. We can see what we have integrated. We can also add integrations. You can see there's a ton of Cisco security integrations right out of the box, as simple as copying an API from left to right, done. We're going to show that integration with Umbrella. There's tons of third-party integrations as well. So in order to add Umbrella, let's go ahead and create an API key. Let's go down to reporting. We'll create a generic token. We'll copy the information that we need here. So let's just jump back, grab the org ID first. That's always up in your browser. Go back to SecureX. Let's put in our org ID. Paste that in. Let's go back to Umbrella. Let's grab that API key. Go back to SecureX. Let's go down to reporting. Put in that API key, and you can see there's enforcement and investigate and management. So you can integrate all of them. We're just going to integrate the reporting functionality for this example. Got our API secret, time frame. We're going to request a day. Default to create dashboard. Uncheck this. I checked it, but I'll go through the process as if I unchecked it. Save it out. Now go to dashboard. Default dashboard, we will remove and create a new one because I didn't uncheck it. So let me just get rid of this. Customize. Delete. Go ahead and create dashboard, give it a name. You can see the available tiles here. We're going to add the secure endpoint, which was already there, and the umbrella that we just added. We'll go ahead and hit save. Bam. So now we've got this centralized dashboard that gives us visibility. We can, make it bigger. We can move these tiles around, resize them, get rid of the ones we don't want, change the time frame, all of that goodness. Okay, so that's great. Let's go ahead and look at computers with quarantine. You can see there's a nice seamless pivot right into secure endpoint. At that point in time, we can look at that endpoint. We can look at the reports, all the details. We can look at device trajectory. Again, this is just showing you how quick we can pivot from that dashboard right into analysis and get a good understanding of what might be happening on a specific technology. So it's just walking through a couple of examples here. We can see the EI car test file. It was blocked. The MITRE attack framework, any association that might be there with tactics and techniques are called out. We can look at that file. So if we highlight it, and very quickly we can investigate and threat response, it's going to render all of the details around the modules. And check this out, right? We get a good visual of what's happening here. We could see domains, we could see email addresses, the endpoint as a collection of modules that are inserted here. I can take action against that endpoint. but I've got a relational view of what the specific malicious file is based on network, domains, URLs, IP addresses, endpoints, all of the details that I need in order to make a good decision in regards to what might be happening and put the mitigating controls, if needed, in place. You can see here we've got lots of details around the judgment, why we've created this judgment, in this case, AMP file reputation. We can look at the workstation. We've got verdicts, we've got sightings, any indicators that are associated with it. Again, a quick pivot and look at how rich the details are within Cisco SecureX, our extended detection and response platform. Pretty cool capability. And again, free with Cisco Secure products.